An Introduction to Fractions. In this lesson, you will learn all about the definitions required for you to understand fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is part of a whole number which contains two parts, the top part called the numerator and the bottom part of the fraction called the denominator. Fractions can be shown in many different ways. They can be shown as symbols, they can be shown as pieces of a circle, they can be shown as pieces of a square, they can also be shown on a number line as a part of an inch or a part of a centimeter. The numerator represents the top part of the fraction, and that is the number of parts that you're able to use. The denominator is the total number of pieces. It is also the bottom number in a fraction and can be shown in many different ways. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value but may look very different. For example, we can split a box into half, or we can split a box into fourths, and then we can add up to get the same fraction. So 1/2 will equal 2/4. We can continue this further, and you will do so later on. A common denominator in fractions are fractions that have the same multiple of two or more denominators. So for the multiples of the times table 7, the multiples are 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. Those would be common denominators in fractions. A benchmark is a known size or amount that can help you to estimate or can help you to understand a different size or amount. So if I fill a jar half full with liquid, you can realize then that any other jar that is full halfway would be a benchmark of 1/2.